are you gonna do? When's the last time you ate?
Like 18 hours ago.
Excited to eat.
We're going Beck's.
What's your name?
Brandon Beck. I own this restaurant. Found a pin and threw it at me. Hit me in the side of the head and I just stopped snoring.
What brand was it?
The pin?
Yeah.
A Bic.
Cool.
Like the lighter. Fidel. Ow. Turn right there.
Yeah. Don't wreck. Teaching Brandon how to drive. Oh my god, slow down! Ah!
Literally not going that fast. Never been to mini golf. Oh no, squirrel.
Oh my god, we almost killed that squirrel. Brandon,
Wait.
rate your vacation so far.
That's been good.
Brandon!
What?
What was that noise
It's
for?
beeping because it.
Why is it beeping?
It's
gonna explode! Why is it beeping?
I'm just trying to get you out of the damn car.
Made it beep? Mad at you. Pop and ollie. Brandon.
Speed.
April's having a child.
Oh no.
Oh my god!
April. The grossest part was like immediately afterwards.
You're like,
Open the floodgates.
Really? Yeah. King wavy. He's real cool. Really? Yeah. Really? Yeah.
turtle! Did anyone see that? There's a big ass turtle. A family was feeding it.
I'm turning around.
Please don't kill us. Oh my god. Really big turtle. They were feeding it lettuce. I'm afraid. Slow down. I can pass. Speed up! Okay, now slow down.
Where was the turtle?
See the people?
No.
Over there by that sign?
No.
See it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? You see it? There's a dog too. Ah! Oh my god. Look at it. Oh my god.
Turtle.
The afterlife is spent in a hole, so that's actually a cosmology.
Big turtle.
Bear proof.
Bear-proof. I think most things are bear-proof.
If I can get into something, I feel like a bear can get in. Cold? Rude. Brandon, how long have we been here?
Like 20 minutes.
What did you do?
Lost my glasses.
Where?
In the water.
You're gonna go look for them. Are they floating? Do they float?
I just went to the beach, and when we were out there, I lost my glasses. I have a warranty on it. Does it cover loss?
Brandon, why are we at the mall?
I lost my glasses and I had to lie to the lady and get contacts. I just really did not want to spend $50 on contacts, because fuck that. Are you recording this? Don't post this anywhere. But the doctor of contacts had already left. They sent me to the eye place, which is on the other side of the mall. I went to that one, and the lady was there. She had like a real thick like beach axe. She was like, can't help you. Sorry. Try the Pearl Vision. I ain't going to the Pearl Vision, 0.3 miles away. I was just going to take the L. And then I was like, LOL. I walked back down to the Balloons Crafters, and I was like, what do I have to do to get a trial pair of contacts? She said, I can't do much for you. I've closed down my station. $99 will get you a pair of glasses. I said, I can't do that. 10 minutes later, we talking about how I only had one friend here, just wanted a week that didn't have stress, and how nothing was working. If I tried to buy the $50 contacts, I was going to overdraw my account, have even less money. If I didn't go to work tomorrow, I was going to lose my job.
Oh my god.
I was so sorry for causing all this trouble. She just looked at me, she was like, I can't take any money. She took my prescription, walked in the back, and got me some damn free contacts.
Serious question. Do you have a job? Same people, different beach. Same day also.
Beach hopped.
Opinion on pandas.
Pandas are neat.
Hey Brandon,
Hey, Jocelyn.
do you have any tattoos?
Yeah.
Cool. Can you show me your tattoo? You got some lavender. Kendra, you have any tattoos?
Yeah, it's this one.
What's it say?
Route 311.
What verse
Yeah,
is that?
Route 311.
Recite it.
It just says Route 311. They never wrote anything under it.
No.
Do not fear, my daughter, for I will do all things that you ask. For my townspeople know that you are a worthy woman.
What are you?
A worthy ass woman.
Whatever helps you sleep at night.
If you had one superpower, what would it be?
On control.
What?
I would like to control gravity.
Counterpoint.
That'd be cool and stuff, but not really.
Counter.
My argument to your counter is you're wrong.
Counter.
LOL, nah.
Counter.
We're on a beach. There are no counters here.
He's right. What's it feel like?
Jelly.
They're gonna jump in it. So disappointed.
I can do that.
Quit burying him!
I love how you had time to like get out.
Oh no.
Thoughts?
Stand.
It's a kite. This is taking forever. All right, whoa, he's buried Brandon!
No freaking reason. Help me.
Oh
no.
Oh my god, it's gonna go everywhere! Already!
Oh no. Oh, I got it.
We're rescuing a kite! Be free!
You can say where the road goes, where the day flows.
Oh no!
What is this hole?
Bury him! Like Baywatch. I'll slow motion it right here. Can you like Baywatch run?
I'll show you something.
We have a chance to actually bury you this time. Let's enjoy it, okay?
Yay. Yay.
Sorry.
Keep sand in my face.
No, get off her butt.
It's so close.
Are you warm at least?
No, I'm sandy.
Let's go. Come on, you got it. It's gonna fall. Go. You have 18 seconds.
No, but you still hit my phone up. Didn't see what's going on, and now I know. Oh, baby, you should go and love yourself.
Look, get this video.
And if you think
He's so good. He's so good at the color card.